Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Magical Mermaid, and this is a sweet little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Magical Mermaid, and we're going to be using this mermaid and have a magical birthday. So I have a piece of Perennial Essence Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to come in with my embossing buddy. Alright, and I have a regular sheet of paper and my Versamark ink pad. And then I have the mermaid mounted on clear block eye. I'm going to stamp it up backwards. I think right there should be good. And then I'm going to get the sentiment as well, and that's mounted on clear block B. All right. And I'm going to come in with my gold embossing powder. All right, now I'm going to get my heat tool. All right. Now I have a piece of glimmer paper. Now the Perennial Essence Designer Series paper and the glimmer paper are retiring, as well as the stamp. So you want to pick this up as soon as you can. I'm going to come in with my glue dots. And I'm just going to roll 3 on and 3 in the middle, and then 3 on the ends. All right, so just like that. And I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. And our card base is Pacific Point, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and remember to get all your supplies at my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye! I decided after making this card, I wanted to dress it up quickly with this, the metallic pearls. And these are coming back, so something to look forward to. And let's see, I just want to bring all that gold out. All right, there you have it. A little bit dressy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.